Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back. Today I have a bead unboxing for Jesse James bead box from June of 2022. Let's see. This one is called Stranded. It says, where in the world are your beads taking you? Oh, that's really cute. It's like a postcard. And it says everything that's inside of it. And then it says, tell us where you were stranded. Design a piece of jewelry inspired by where you're stranded. Post a photo with the tag JJB Stranded and Jesse James Beads. So let's see what's in here. Okay, we have a few findings in here. Oh, look at these. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Let's get these set up here. So let's start with the bead strand in Hawaiian Islands, USA. Oh, look at that little, you see that little pink heart right there? That's so cute. Look at these beautiful beads. That is a very unique bead cap right there. Wow, look at these. Beautiful. Oh, I love these pink bead caps right here. I mean, this is a bracelet right here. You slap some string on it and put a lobster clasp on it, you're done. Absolutely beautiful. So put that one right there. The next is World Cuisine. Okay, metal bead strand and World Cuisine. Okay, so these are pretty. You got some bead caps there. Some really interesting focal points. A few little blue rubber hishi beads. Very pretty. Lots of texture on the beads too. Love that. Next is it's like Dakota Stone. Oh, so pretty. Look at this focal bead right there. Wow. Dakota Stone bead strand in Sunset Flight. Oh, look at these. Look at that rectangle one there. So pretty. I like the mixed metal. They have some gold and some silver. Look at these. This one is so pretty. Very pretty. Love the texture on these. Wow. So pretty. Oh, another one. Just snap it on. There's your bracelet. The next one is Two Destination Boho Bead Strands. Boho bead strands. Okay, let's just I'm not sure what that's. So we'll go with this one. We'll go with India. Jaipur, I think that's how you pronounce it. Jaipur, India. Wow, so pretty. Look at these, like peachy. Oh, look at these. I really like this month's box. Some of the stuff they send us, I'm not a big fan of, but this is really pretty. This is really pretty. I love the flowery bead caps with the crystals. This is very feminine. These would even make beautiful earrings with the flower ones. So pretty. Very, very pretty. And the next one is Nile River, Egypt. Oh, wow. How can you not be inspired by these? look at these bead caps. Those are really cool. Wow. These are, get 3 of these. They almost look like eggs. You know, like a Easter egg kind of like shape. Look at these. Wow, these are really pretty. Lots of creativity with this. And last strand is Casablanca, Morocco. Oh, how pretty. You can see these. Oh, look at the sorry, my video keeps cutting out. I don't know what's wrong with my phone, but so I was looking at the Casablanca, Morocco beads, and they're so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we have all these right here. Then we have leather cord. Let me see, leather cord USA 2 meter leather pack. So we have this kind of like an antique brass. Very pretty. Then we have an 18-inch nautical antique brass chain. This is absolutely gorgeous. I've done this video 3 times showing this cord, so this is the 4th time I'm doing it. Yeah, you just look at all the texture. They're so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. And then it's got a lobster clasp and the 2 hooks in there to make necklace or a bracelet out of. And then we have the finding set, finding set. Okay, so it was that. And then this artistic wire chain male rings, 18 gauge antique brass, really nice jump rings, a little thicker than the average ones. So this is everything for June 2022 of Jessie James Beads. So let me know down in the comments if you get Jessie James monthly subscriptions and what you think of them. I'm actually taking a break. I think this was my last box. I did a 6-month subscription with Jessie James Beads, and so I'm taking a hiatus from this for a little bit, and I am also taking a hiatus from Sam's Bead Box for a little bit. I went back to getting the dollar bead box because I really missed getting all those check fire polish beads, and now I have all of these beautiful boho beads, and I'm going to mix them up with the other beads, and I will be back to Jessie James probably in about 4 or 5 months. I don't know. I'm going to see. I'm trying to switch my bead boxes around, and that way, I have different stashes of beads than from them. Even though these are gorgeous, Sam's bead box is absolutely beautiful. Their check glass is one of a kind. But I just wanted a little break from them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will leave the link below to Jessie James Beads if you're interested in ordering this box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you could give this video a thumbs up, it just helps me to be motivated to create more videos for you when I see everybody's watching and liking them. And I will leave the links below to my Facebook, Etsy, Instagram, and Pinterest if you would like to follow me on any of those. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.